Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and this I'm going to show you an option to see your site health in WordPress without using any plugin at all and get recommendations on how to improve your website. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to see your site health on WordPress, you have to log into your admin user, and here on the dashboard, as you can see right here below, on the main menu, you have Tools and Site Health. Just click on that, and then you can see all of the critical issues that you have on your website that has to be improved, and also the recommendations to improve your website security or performance as well. Now, as you can see right here, I have my Instagram feed expired, so I have to re-authenticate it again, and just log in from the plugin itself to catch all of the posts, the new posts to my website, and just present them, display them on the pages. Now, how to do that? Of course, from the plugin down here, you can go inside and just re-authenticate your Instagram credentials. And after that, as you can see on the recommendations I have here, I should remove all the inactive plugins for security issues and also for performance. And also I have a default theme available, and I have two installed, like a child theme, so I added PHP code and files, so of course it's vulnerable for the security, but I need to do that as well, so it doesn't matter at all. But anyway, this is a recommendation, so you can improve your security as well. Now, I should use a persistent object cache, like to make the website much faster and improve the performance using Cloudways Object Cache Pro plugin and so on. Now down here, if I want to see the past tests to learn from it, what I need to do for other websites as well, as you can see right here, I have a lot of performance recommendations, security recommendations, and progressive web app recommendations like I have with the PWA plugin and so on. Of course, I can change that as well, but those are the recommendations that I have passed. Now, if I want to see my site health score right here and also learn more, I go inside info and I can learn more about my server as well. Now I can see all of the site health info, like how many plugins I have in active plugins as well, active plugins, active snippets, and must-use plugins like Elementor for the themes or also for the design of my website. And I can see right here the active theme, parent theme, and so on. Now the database info, I can look right here, which is very important to learn from, and also the server info like PHP memory limit and so on, what I have on my CURL version, and all of the versions I can improve, and also go to my server and ask them to upgrade the database version, MongoDB for example, and also the PHP version, like it's supposed to be at least 8.2 and so on, for improving my security and my performance on my website. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to see your site health in WordPress without using any plugin at all and improve your website. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment, and on the first comment I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.